Fengshui 要有 something that grow 这样啦。
Yes, you're right.
放个狗可以吗？
狗最好的时候 to engage the Fengshui Master will be
哦，你看到你的脸哇！
吓到啊 ！So basically 家里弄得整整齐齐 decluttered, especially 在
Is it true that certain furniture shapes like sharp corners will create negative energy? If so, how do we counterbalance them? Hi, I'm Huishan and welcome to episode 6 of Renopod. Here with me is Master Alvin.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, he's back again. I know that you guys know him, but please introduce yourself again.
Okay, I'm Master Alvin. Hi, it's me again. Today I will share with you, the tips or even the myth to make you understand about Feng Shui.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, Master Alvin, we all want to know, will like putting a bed directly under a window brings in bad energy?
Oh, it depends. Okay, in Google, in Xinjiapai School of Teaching, many people, or even in books, many people say it's not good to have that. Okay, but you must understand one thing. Sometimes we still need to base on the what we call the energy of the room, that room. Okay, sometimes when you have, like, for example, you have no place to, nowadays condo, okay, high-rise building, they have a lot of what we call 落地窗.
Yes.
So sometimes they have three sides somehow. So does it mean that we really cannot place bed? Okay, you see, some people say that this direction, behind is a toilet, we cannot place bed there. Okay, behind is what we call a kitchen, we also cannot place a bed there. Then the other side is also maybe another type of 窗口, we call it windows, also cannot place. You only have one location. So you see, but the location might be tapping the negative energy. So how? So based on my experience, okay, not necessary, it depends on the situation. But best not to have, because in the ancient time, or even some people, when they place their bed, okay, under the window. So normally when they open the window, because last time they like to open the window so it'll be windy so the window, all the airflow will go through there. So we'll definitely harm somehow the head parts or what. Okay, we'll have some headache or anything. So basically just close the window and cover with a curtain, and you still, at least you can place a bed there if really no choice. But if there is a choice, when the location of we have a wall behind, a good backing, people say 有靠就会有贵人嘛，对不对? So if we have the choice to do that, definitely it will be very good. Then after that, most importantly, we need to tap the energy, the right energy, to benefit from there. So 当然 it's not easy to 安床. So but because of nowadays all the designs, it's not easy.
I love 落地窗,
Yeah, so 落地窗, you see, if the all direction, there will be some condos, I have seen before this kind of condo, all direction is a 落地窗. Then you cannot put a bed, man. Yeah, you still need to do that, right? Yeah, so it depends, but you need to really close. Okay, once you close the window, okay, the airflow cannot pass through. So cannot pass through is solid, but because the window is a solid surface, so it cannot pass through. When it cannot pass through, same thing, you cover with a curtain. Curtain also have another layer, which is the airflow might not be covered, cannot pass through as well. So same thing, you block the airflow. So yeah, the big position then can place that.
So as long as you block the airflow, you can put the bed.
It depends. It still depends. But best to find a professional Feng Shui master to go there and really analyze for you, because they need to know the energy of the house in order to do the placement of the bed. Okay, so if really no choice, if best we can, 当然后面是靠墙最好。But if really 我们有时候 no choice because of the direction, every direction 都不可能放床的话, then we need to really make sure that the 理气 part must also fulfill. Okay, yeah.
Another thing about the bedroom, right, is about mirrors. Because I know from a lot of culture, right, such as even Japanese culture, mirrors are not good to be placed in the bedroom.
Yes.
Is it true?
It still depends on the location. Okay, so you see, like for example, dressing table, that's mirror. Okay, you can place it at the the location that you don't. Okay, mirrors, you don't reflect to few things. Okay, bed or the directly on the bed, on the door, facing the door, facing the window, facing the stove. Then still okay. If you're facing the wall, okay, no issue. Okay, the mirror reflect is a wall, it's no issue. Okay, and most important thing, if you are placing a dressing table, I will normally put it at the 贵人位 of that lady. Because lady is, 打扮就是这位的要招贵人嘛 so I will place it over at that location. Yeah, so if the space permit, I will do it there.
But now even the hotels, right? They have mirrors facing the bed.
Okay, you see, if you are in a hotel, this is no choice. It's a short vacation. You won't be sleeping there for long. You only be there for maybe a few days, and that's it. Okay, so if you for hotels, you just need to cover the mirror while you're sleeping. It will be good enough.
You can say I big bantang sometimes have a big towel help put over the mirror.
Yes,
yeah,
okay.
So
It's okay. It's correct. It's correct. And also, why mirror is not so good? It gives people illusion stuff. So sometimes when we wake out in the middle of the night, we go to the toilet. Sometimes we scare ourselves.
你看到你的脸哇，
吓到啊 So basically, 因为我们 we are still in the wake up state 啊。
夸张吗？看到自己哇。
哦，没有看到自己是 one thing. It's because we are still just woke up. The mind is still not stable. Yes, 还在很混乱。So when you 看到多一个影子在那边，原本是你的影子吧，你看不清楚，把你吓到，为什么多一个影子在那边？所以 sometimes 你会自己吓到自己。我们说自己吓自己啦。
所以 it's not 只是不是来撒你的 energy
没有啦 no such thing 啦，其实很科学化的啦。It's about the illusion part. It's about 你是怕到吓到自己晚上。
你真的是听到很多人讲是 mirror 会会撒有 energy 这种。
哦，没有啦，那个是 OK. Some people use mirror to repel 那种 negative energy, especially they use the what 八卦。Okay, they have a convex one, they can have a concave one, 八卦 to go and reflect what we call those sharp edge. 我们说壁刀上 all this. Okay, this is what is the olden practice 啦。Okay, so in Fengshui 我们可以的话就挡住。You block the what we call normally 我会喜欢用就是用 plant 来挡，因为 plant is a good filter, it's an air filter actually. No 啦 this is flower, this is flower. 不是，你现在呀啦 having me is you having good energy here already, so no need to 挡。哇，我是那个 plant， 就是这个 filter 就可以了，没有啦 just joking. Okay, so yeah, I hope I answer the question on the mirror part 啦。
Mirror part, I think a lot of people will ask. And other than that, right, is only Fengshui only applies to rearrangement of like furnitures. Only, but does it also applies to color?
Yes, okay. That is why I did mention before. 最好的时候 to engage the Fengshui Master will be before renovation.
哦，对。
Because why is before renovation 全部都是空空的。We do the measurement, okay. After that, we know the energy of the house. Hey, this place I need what color theme. Okay, this place I need what color theme. Okay, this place I need this color to remedy, and this place I need this color to boost out the energy. So all this will be good, okay, before you do anything to your renovation. Find a Fengshui Master.
So you will tell us like which part must have which color on the wall.
Yes.
有 color code 吗？
有color code 就没有啦，因为太多了，这个你就要去找 professional contractor ID 啦。But
有个ID 跟你讲 ，OK， 那 blue 哈，你要叫 C97。
有戏 no。如果是这样的话，我就要 increase 我的那个 price list 啊，我的 fee 啊。
code
加多5块，一个 color code 一个5块。OK，but I would just in general 我会想，比如说这个房间 in this room I need a white color. So white color there will be a lot of color code like off white, what kind of white okay. So that one So normally my client will do this. They will take a picture of the color code. They will send to me. Then for me I will verify whether can use or not. So if I ask them to choose the one that they really like, okay, then send a few to me. Then I will say, hey, use this one. This one is more on the what I want.
你sure 你会吗？如果你看你老婆叫你选lipstick color。
这个lipstick color 我就跟他的八字的五行走了他需要因为需要红色需要火的话，等我就跟他给他那个红。
你看得出 like if a bit 红 with a bit orange， 你看得出吗？
不管是我什么 lipstick 到我老婆身上的话，都是很漂亮的啦。
哇，好厉害，讲到。
对，这个是一定要的。Happy wife，
在这边。
Happy wife, happy life. OK。
让老婆出去，我们再录的。OK, so does Fengshui dedicate plant， 刚才你不是讲到很多 plant 哦？
对
是不是 plant 一定要放在那种财位啊，还是什么
OK，so normally 我会放在 OK， 因为文昌星我通常都会放在文昌位。
文昌，
文昌星是属于就是木星来的。So 木星呢，我通常都 I will use green plant，OK，to place it there to boost the 文昌。So it's a good indication. Why do I say it's a real plant? We need to place a real plant. It's a good indication. So normally when things happen like what the client, they call me, hey, my career now suddenly got issue. Got things that cannot make me move forward. Normally first thing I'll ask, go to your career sector, see the plant. How does the plants grow? Normally there will be what we call yellowish dead plant. So I ask them to just cut it off and everything will resolve. And this is it's a good indication. Why I use plant, one thing is it's a good indication about the energy there. So that is why one thing. And sometimes I also will use plant in the wealth sector. Because while plant is a producing energy, 我们说生气的，它有生气的。So also it's a good to keep producing. When the plants grow very well, means your wealth also will be not bad one. Because the energy is there 嘛 it's keep growing.
那我放夹花可以吗？
不可以。
不可以。
这个 confirm 不可以的。OK， 因为夹花就是它不是真的，它没有那个生气，它没有那个 growing 的 process。Yeah。
所以要有 something that grow 这样啦。
Yes, you're right。
放个狗可以吗？
狗的话是要看你的屋子。OK。狗是很有阳气的，在屋子当然有狗的话，
狗是一个很有阳气的东西。
对，所以如果你是说你要放狗 ，OK，for example， 你们需要maybe some I believe you heard before 啦，三合六合 all these things。
Actually, I heard some household actually cannot have 狗。
Yeah，so 狗 can， 如果你要的话，其实是可以的。其实狗is good because they like to run around。So the movement of the 气 will
有个 growing process 嘛？
也是可以的，但当然不是 it won't. But you must understand one thing: the position of the career sector is 在一个 position. Okay, as wealth sector also 在一个 position. So 那个狗不可能在那个 position 而已嘛。把它也不是那种很像我们说。它只是比较 active 跑来跑去，它只是让那个气的 movement 在 move 而已。Other than that， 它不会让那个像来grow in that direction， 就是一直在 produce 在那个 direction。So it's a different thing. It's a different thing.
所以 just nice 你讲到这个 right， we also want to know， 所以 there's a specific lucky position for us to place certain furniture or objects.
Yes. And also the furnitures wise, is okay. For example, sofa, we need to make sure that we tap the right energy because you'll be sitting there, okay, to tap the right energy while you're resting there, watch TV. But while resting, you also need to tap good energy, right? So that's why we need to identify.
Resting also need to tap good energy.
Yes.
看戏这样。
看戏也是要看戏的时候也要很 comfortable 的看戏啊。有些地方就是 is reject your energy，
会很搞味的。
会搞味，你不会做主的。
真的。
这个 I think 你自己可能也会，你可以去 try out 的。有些地方它跟你的是energy 是 repel 的。
I thought I'm just restless sometimes.
No. It's not. It's because you are sitting at a location which is repelling you. So the energy wise it doesn't benefit you. So you feel like very like draining your energy somehow. So 你会觉得坐在那边很累。有些人坐在另外地方很 energetic 的，是因为他的 energy reaction。
所以这样的话，你是不是有一个很 strict 的就是 very strict 的那个他们讲 to perfect 那个 elements
I get what you mean 你讲的东西，就是说是不是有一些很像formulas or something like that？ formulas 当然是有，我们风水很多门派也很多 formula。
很 strict to balance 那种 element。
Yes, as I mentioned, I think in the and as
in the previous episode.
Yes, previous episode I did mention 很多东西都要 balance。我们要的话就是 produce， 要给它是不能相克。So basically 我们只是把它就是 make sure that it produce 不克 ，then things will 这样通关它就没事了。
所以就要ensure everything is balanced, not dominate each areas.
Yes, you're right. So every sector 你可以去我们说 balance it off the energy. So then 那个 energy 就会自己相生相克了。So it will not affect the human being inside too much.
So if you guys that haven't watched the previous episode, right, we also have something similar question in this episode.
Yes.
Is it to avoid clutter at all places?
Yes, you're right.
请你再跟我们的观众再讲多一次。What is it?
Okay, for the clutter part you are talking about the clutter part. Okay, 为什么我们 clutter 东西地方不好？是因为就很像我们人，我们走路都很 smooth， 但突然有一个东西 block 住，我只有一个小洞要过，我还要爬过去 ，I need more effort to 爬过去嘛。So same thing for airflow. If 如果没有东西 block 住那里的话，我们就 at least 可以走得很 smooth. The circulation will be very smooth. But if there's a blockage there, if the blockage is around the what we call the career sector, then 你的 career sector 一定有 issue 的，因为它一直 block 住它，它不能走得很 smooth.
But 我想知道的是什么是 actually considered clutter？
哦，clutter
这
is
样算是 clutter？
哦，这样是 well organized.
哦，没有可能。
Okay, clutter is that okay. For example, at the main door, suddenly 就很多那个东西对啊，丢在那边，像挡着那个气出来啊，那个，连那些 especially you know some people like
as long as 有气进来可以。
有气进啦，
有气可以吗
well 它也是会很少的。Okay, it still depends when 你放什么东西上面 ，especially 如果你放鞋在那边，门进来的气啊，都是那种 germs 臭气。So you see, it definitely will bring in the bad energy somehow. Even we don't say bad energy, we say you also bring in the germs. So 谁不会生病？明白说吗？So this is all about how you you know make use of your this 风水 to 真的去 benefit 整家人里面的人。所以我们要懂 what to do. So decluttering 是最好的。所以每个人只要是把家里弄得整整齐齐 ，decluttered，especially 在财位要很干净啦，要很整齐的，
很干净啊，
要很干净。
一个灰尘都不可以。
没有啦，灰尘还是一点点还是会有啦，不可能没有灰尘啦。
episode 我们就去 Master Alvin 的家
等我们去找灰尘，没有啦，开玩笑。
Alvin 还这样。
没有啦，一点灰尘是 OK，but at least 要tidy，but 啦，还是要常常抹啦。我们说，所以 is to provide a good environment and also hygiene as well。
Wow, thank you so much, Master Alvin, for all the tips in this episode. So, what do you think Feng Shui will help you in? Please stay tuned to our next episode. See ya!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.